Hello guys, it's Kudzai or Simply Stylishly Modesty. Here I'm back on another video. This is my morning routine, going on walks, and today I am going to do a video not just on walking but also on an organic Zimbabwean meal that I made using the stuff from my garden. I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it.
So that is the garden. I got the vegetables from, and I'm using that side. Actually, do you see this side over there? Those are the vegetables that I got today to cook for what I'm about to show you. Yeah. So all organic. Harvest kale from our garden. Look at how soft it is, so healthy. So I'm going to cook with that. Yeah, and the potatoes as well. Look at how massive and beautiful they are. You have to eat healthy, guys. This is from my own garden. Yeah. So now I'm going to prepare a meal with these vegetables from the garden. I've washed them. Yeah, you really have to go leaf by leaf to wash them, otherwise there will be worms, snails and stuff. So I'm just gonna make a meal, a Zimbabwean meal. As you can see, I've got my salsa on the stove and I'm doing some mince, so I'm gonna put these in there. I'll try and show you a little bit. And also when I cook, I try to, my mom taught me this, the Holy Trinity she calls it. So I put a little bit of ginger, garlic and the onions, but I'm not gonna use much of this today because I got some shallots from the garden as well, and I am using the Himalaya salt, which is 100% Himalaya salt, which is really good as well for your health. So just gonna be cooking this today. My salsa is just about to start boiling now, so I'm not going to refocus on the salsa. I just wanted to show you, something that you can actually make with your vegetables that you would have grown from your own garden. So as you can see, I've cut like the end of the stems. I'm going to cook them first because they're quite hard. So I cook them first. I've just put them in the maize. This is just lean maize that I got from Lidl. I didn't want to put too much because I'm going to put quite a lot of maize. Quite a lot of vegetables. So I'm just frying them now. And also I'm going to add the shallots in there as well before I further. So while they're cooking, I'll finish cutting up the vegetables. When you're cutting them, remember you just have to hold it into a nice bundle and you use your knife. Like obviously I'll be holding it when I'm cutting, it's just that I'm holding the fork. Then I'm just gonna use some tomatoes as well. So that's what you can make. I will show you the final video when I finish, but mind the mess. But this is what you can make from your own garden. You can grow this. I'll try and put in the description below what we added and how we got what we did to take care of them until they were to what they are now. But it's a good 3 months project, I would say. Sometimes they can grow quicker than that. So yeah, it's chopped now, and I'm going to see I've already added the tomatoes, and these they are a bit soft now, they're not as hard like before. So I'm gonna add these in there. Try not to put too much tomatoes in there. Obviously if you want to add a little bit of spices like your old seasoning, you can add it. I'm just going to put this in there now and let them cook. Just add all of them in there. Obviously there's a little bit left, I'm gonna leave those out. Please don't bin this. This is actually the vegetable. That's where all the nutrients are in. If you bin this, you are wasting all the good nutrients in there. All the food that's stored in there You know, all those things are just the least really, but this is the real deal. So don't thin them unless obviously you put too much. So yeah, that's something I learned as well. So this is it, guys. That's it. If you want to add in maybe a drop of water in there, just a little bit, you know, just tiny tip, because obviously you want a little bit of you want it to stay soft. And I'm not a chef, by the way. I'm just showing you what you can do with the vegetables that you actually grow from your own, you know, garden. And obviously I've cooked a Zimbabwean meal that you can eat in your household, that we tend to eat once we have used the vegetables. I'm not a chef, just showing you something that I do with vegetables. And also I wanted to promote this video in the sense that I'm all about, you know, a healthy lifestyle. And also you've seen me going on walks, drinking lots of water, and also, you know, eating well as well. They say you are what you eat. So hey, I'm just gonna let this simmer down and yeah, reduce the heat. But this is done. Please don't close this, because you will get these vegetables brown, and that's what you don't want to do. So this is nice and done, and yeah, finished. So yeah, guys, that is the meal. I'm ready to sit down and eat. Yeah, it's nice and it's rich and it's organic. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you follow and subscribe.